Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So, since I have already given my introduction, I'll straight away jump into the content that I have to share. So, I strongly believe in this one phase that every phase in your life is a new learning. I'll explain the sheer practicality of this phase through a quick walkthrough into my phases of life. So, I'll start off with the phase when I was in school. So when I was in school, I only used to focus in my academics, and I proactively took part in debates because, as I mentioned before, I have always enamored taking parts in debates. Apart from that, I did not take much part in sports activities. I always shied away from playing sports because I thought it was not my forte. And second of all, I never took part in any kind of annual functions because I had this colossal amount of stage fear inside me. So the two learnings that I got from this phase is that take up things out of your comfort zone. Why I tell this to you is because when you look back into your things that you have not done, you should not brood over that like I did. So that's what I feel, that you should always take up things out of your comfort zone and also learn to experiment, because if you may not experiment, you would not find out what things you are good at. So these are the learnings I got from this phase of mine. Next phase is the phase when I got into my college. So this phase is split into two phases. The first half, I'll start with the first half. So when I stepped into the college, my college had to offer enormous amount of opportunities. So I had this option to build a whole new identity of mine. I could envision myself in a more stronger, in a more confident, and in a more better version of myself. So with this thought, I took up part in almost all the societies. I took part in I did monologues in college. I took part in the dramatic society of my college. I was part of Enactus, which is a global non-profit organization, and I helped generate employment for the disabled people using newspaper pencils. And I also helped publish college magazine. I also did tons of anchoring, and the list is long. And yeah, last but not the least, that's my best achievement in college. I also represented Enactus NCU among top 80 colleges in the annual conference that we have every year in Mumbai. So now, evidently, this heroic transformation that I had, this had to offer some kind of damages in my life. So I could see a huge, drastic change in my GPA and my academics. I scored horrible. So evidently, because I was so much captivated with the new things that this phase had to offer, which is why I forgot to prioritize. So the biggest learning I got from this phase is that set your priorities right and devote time accordingly, and also learn to manage time religiously in your regime. Practice this trait religiously in your regime. That is the most biggest learning that I got from this phase. Moving towards the second half phase of my college, now the learning that I got from this phase is that learn from your failures. Now that I have started realizing that taking part in so much of societies, I had faced huge drips in my CGPA. I started unenrolling myself from the societies which I felt is not adding value to my career or my profile. So I still kept myself enrolled in some societies like Enactus, because that way I was able to contribute to the society. I was part of the placement committee of my college, and also I was part of a student think ambassador, where I got opportunities to represent the collaboration that we had between major Singapore and our college in front of a lot of corporate delegates. So I got a very good exposure through these aforementioned societies. And also, this was a very crucial time for all of us because our college placements were about to commence. So our college placements is a four-step process wherein we have a aptitude test initially, and then we have a group discussion, and then it is followed by two technical rounds. So and Deloitte is the first company that comes in a college, and the amount of competition that I had around me was intimidating. All of my batchmates were brilliant, and the only thing I kept doing was I kept working hard. There were days when I would feel like this all of this preparation thing is not my forte. I would feel myself sunking into a vicious cycle of depression and stress. But I got up. I always got up, and I tried restarting myself. The learning that I got from this phase is that be consistent. if you be consistent, if you have the audacity to get up and dust yourself whenever you fall down, you can do wonders. And trust me, this is a iterative process. This is not a one time process. And the last learning, the last best learning that I got from this phase is that give your 200% towards your goals. Ask a question. Hey, did you give your did you have you put your every ounce of hard work and sweat into the thing that you're doing, everything into what you are doing? If the answer is yes, then just step back and just relax. The rest of the things will follow. So